Hello everyone, please allow me to introduce the unboxing steps of Oneway Outdoor Autonomous Security Robot. First of all, what we see inside this wooden box is the robot body and the remote control. The carton contains the charging pile of the robot and the accessories. Use scissors to cut the packing tape on the outside of the wooden box. The wooden box is composed of multiple butterfly buckles connected. Open all the butterfly buckles. Next, remove the top and surrounding boards orderly. Remove the robot remote control first, then remove the wrapping film on the surface of the robot. After the loading robot wooden box is disassembled, open another carton. A charging station is included in the carton, a certificate, an invoice, a triangular key and a ratchet wrench. With ratchet wrench, unscrew the robot from the base. Remove the base. After removing all fasteners, take the top plank of the robot. Place it at the front of the robot to form a ramp. Press and hold the power button at the rear bottom of the robot for 4 seconds. The robot starts normally when a beep is heard. It takes about 1 minute until the robot is fully turned on. Then short press the emergency stop button. At this state, the emergency stop button light is always on. Remove the protect cover on the chassis of the robot. Press the blue remote control button. When the blue button is pressed in, the robot is in the remote control state. And when the button is pressed up, the robot quits the remote control state. Use the remote control to move the robot off the pallet. That's all for unboxing. Next, let's introduce the basic operation of the handheld remote control. This is the power switch button. Here is the channel selection button. These are the forward and backward triggers. This is the steering wheel. Turn on the power switch button. Set the power switch button to the on position. Then the indicator light will turn blue. Push the channel selection button to the farthest position. Pressing the trigger inward will make the robot move forward. Pushing it outward will make it move backward. Clockwise rotation of the steering wheel turns the robot right. Counterclockwise rotation turns the robot left. The demonstration of robot remote control operation is complete. Next, configure the robot network. Open the screw cover on the robot chassis. Use the triangle key. Open the triangle locks by screwing them counterclockwise. After unlocking all the triangular locks, gently move the cover to the left side of the robot. Find the black router from inside the robot chassis. There is a dual SIM slot on the black router. Insert the prepared SIM card into any of the card slots. Insert the chip in the No 1 Card slot with the chip facing down. Insert the chip in the No to Card slot with the chip facing up. After inserting the card, restoring the cover to its original state. After secure all the lock, the network configuration is complete. Now, we will configure the new robot such as mapping and navigation. The robot needs to achieve functions like autonomous patrol, autonomous charging, remote monitoring, etc., which require backend settings and mapping. Next, let's see how to use the robot for mapping. Enter the Robot Management System (RMS) to add a new robot. First, open a web browser. Enter the server domain name or IP address. Access the login interface of the Robot Management System. Enter the username and password on the login interface. The username and password are provided by Oneway team. Click on the login button. Access our homepage display interface. Next, click on the Enter Backend Management button in the top right corner of the homepage display interface. Redirect to the Backend Management interface. On the current interface, move the mouse to the left menu bar. Scroll down. Open the Management settings and select the Robot Management menu. In the new robot window on the right side, choose the robot type based on the robot name and model. Click the bottom right button to add a new robot. A pop-up window for adding a new robot will appear. In the first column of the new robot interface, enter a custom robot name. The name format only supports Chinese, English, and numbers. Enter the robot serial number of the product certificate in the second column. The product serial number is the product number on the certificate. The third and fourth columns and the configuration below can use the default settings. Then, click the Add Robot button to complete the setup for adding a new robot. The second step of map construction and upload. Scan the QR code at the top of the screen with your Android device. Download and install the mapping app. Currently only supports Android devices. Start downloading the mapping app. Wait for the download to complete. Allow this install on your device. Finish installation. Open the app. Allow the following permissions. Click OK. After the mapping app is downloaded, use mobile phone to connect to the robot's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi name are provided by Oneway staff. Connect to robot Wi-Fi successfully. Open the mapping app. Click to confirm. Click to start drawing. Enter the interval value from 1 to 900 according to the pop-up window. The value is the maximum diameter in the area that the robot needs to patrol. Click to confirm. Using the handheld remote, the remote control robot starts to build a map. The robot enters the map scanning state. In the process of building, requires remote control to let the robot to travel at low speed. The robot needs to travel all the routes that need to be patrolled after the map scan is completed. Open the mobile mapping app. View map scans. Confirm that the map scan is complete. If the map is missing, you need to re-control the robot to scan the map again. Click to close the map. The interface pops up. Click to save the map. Click on the upper left corner to upload the map. Custom map name. Only supports Chinese and English. Click to confirm. Start uploading the map to the robot cloud server. Map uploaded successfully. Mapping completed. First, open a web browser on your PC. Enter the server domain name or IP address. Click on the search button. Access the robot management system. Enter your username and password. Click the login button. Enter the robot system's homepage display interface. Click on the Enter Management button. At the top right corner of the screen, access the robot's backend management interface. Click the Switch Robot button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the robot model category in the primary menu bar. Choose the target company and map in the secondary menu bar. Confirm the selection of the target robot. The robot switch is complete. Click the Autonomous Navigation button on the left menu bar of the screen. Click on the charging station in the menu bar on the right, then click Create New Charging Station. Click the left mouse button on the map about 2-3 meters in front of the actual deployment location of the charging station. Enter a custom name for the charging station. Click the Confirm button in the bottom right corner to complete the charging station setup. In the Autonomous Navigation interface of the Robot Management backend, click on the Forbidden Zone in the menu bar on the right side of the screen. Click on Create New Forbidden Zone. Enter a custom name for the Forbidden Zone. On the map in the center of the screen, mark at least some points with the left mouse button to outline the area where the robot should not go. Connect the points to form a polygon. Click the Confirm button in the bottom right corner to complete the Forbidden Zone setup. In the Autonomous Navigation interface, move the mouse to the right menu bar. Scroll down, click on Hill. Click on Create New Downhill. On the actual slope position on the map in the middle of the screen, click the left mouse button to select at least some points. Form a shape with the points. The slope area must be completely covered. The slope area should extend outward by 1 to 2 meters. Click the Confirm button in the lower right corner to complete the slope setting. Demonstrate according to the above 2 steps to complete the setting of all forbidden zone and slope positions on the map. In the Autonomous Navigation interface, click on the Path button on the right menu bar. Click on Create New Path. On the map in the middle of the screen, click the left mouse button to select points. Connect points to form a path. Enter a custom path name. Click the Confirm button in the lower right corner to complete the path setting. The path represents the route for the robot's patrol walk. In the Autonomous Navigation interface, click on the Navigation button on the right menu bar. Click on Create New Navigation. Enter a custom navigation name. Select the path for navigation. Set Autonomous Navigation working days. Choose the time period for automatic navigation by the robot. Autonomous Navigation working days can be set for any number of days from Monday to Sunday each week. The robot will patrol in a loop sequence from 1 to 1, following the green landmarks on the map. If segmented working periods are required, multiple navigation tasks need to be created for different time periods. Click the Complete button in the lower right corner to finish setting up the navigation task. Demonstration of Robot Autonomous Navigation (RMS) backend settings completed. Robot Manual Charging Demonstration Video. There are 2 types of robot charging modes: an automatic charging, a manual charging. Deploy charging piles in areas where robots can walk autonomously. Place against the wall and plug in. In automatic charging mode, the robot will automatically recharge when the battery is low. Manual charging requires remote control of the robot to the vicinity of the charging pile. Open the soft board on the side of the charging pile. Remove the manual charging head. Open the robot tail debugging cover. Plug the manual charging head into the socket. Robot screen display and voice broadcast charging status indicates that the robot is charging.